Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to set a Spotify song as a ringtone. First of all, you can open the Spotify application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply choose the song that you want to set as a ringtone. Now I can select this song. After selecting the song, you can now tap on share, and here you can just simply copy the link of the song, and after copy the link, you can just simply go to the third party app, that is Spotify downloader songs and songs downloader. You can paste the link and download the song. After downloading the song, you can just simply save the mp3 file in your music files, and after this you can just simply go to the home settings, and now you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on sound and haptics, and after this you can just simply tap on ringtone, and here you can just simply tap on haptics, and in iPhone you can just simply tap on create new vibration, that is custom option. You can create new vibration in your iPhone, and in Android you can just simply customize your ringtone. You can just simply put the file and select the timeline of the song that you want to edit in your ringtone, and it is a way you can add a Spotify song as a ringtone. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.